Ah, yeah, the 30-minute room. I'm not sure we give this room the respect it deserves. Sometimes we think it's a room for all the people that need to lose weight to keep moving. Sometimes we think it's for females so that they can do their leg and crunch and body weight exercises with the strength training. Well, let me tell you something. There's ways you can incorporate this equipment that may help with an angle, a different movement, or just a little bit of a tweak to get you into a whole different plane of training with some of your exercises. Let me show you what I mean. All right, here's a perfect example of what I was just saying. You've got this back equipment, seated row machine. Handles are swiveled. See this? How they go up and down? This can work to your advantage as far as angles. And here's a way to do this. When you're looking for a little tweak on your back, start with the set with your hands overhand like this on the handles, pulling back. See how my elbows are like a 45 degree? They're not up here, they're not down here, they're kind of in the middle. Then, for your next set, grab in the center here, so you're straight. See how my elbows automatically drop and follow behind me? So then at the end of that, underhand, down here, more flare. See how the elbows flare out? So now what you've done is you've helped the rhomboid up into the lats as far as spreading your exercise just by using these different handle angles. Just something to think about. Here's another one in the 30-minute room, the abdominal machine. Now most of you will sit down and grab these handles, maybe tuck your head down and start leaning forward. Well, instead of doing that, let's do this. Sit down, grab the handles firmly and hold them. Stand up until the handles are on your shoulders. Force them down, holding your hands against your chest. Now sit down. This tension alone to start the movement when you lean forward will grab the top part here more than you've ever had any other exercise do that. Give that a shot and see how it improves the elongation of your contraction through the whole abdominal wall in the front. And I'm going to throw one more at you, seated chest press. Now this one has an adjustable seat so you can go up or down as far as where you want to hit. But here's a bonus to this that you don't really think about. Instead of going up here and doing your press out like this, take your arms down here and use the handles in the upright so that you get a wider grip, straight out in front of you press, using a neutral grip like this instead of overhand. That'll give you a little more stretch through the upper part of the chest, and there's really nothing else out on the floor or with equipment, maybe the Smith, but again, you're gonna be holding this way. Your hands aren't this way. Dumbbells are the only way to do that, but no one presses with dumbbells out like this. So this gives you a little more of that stretch and a different feel for how this works the inner part of the chest and up into the shoulder. So give that a shot.